Welcome to the Airspace for Part 107 Remote Pilot course, where you will learn all the necessary knowledge to safely and legally fly in the National Airspace System. My name is Greg, and I will be leading you through this course. I began my career as a flight instructor and made my way up to become in charge of 2 flight training programs, one in Florida and one in Arizona. I currently own a drone service company in Arizona and also teach as a professor at one of the largest aeronautical universities in the country. I designed this course because I see so many people online asking questions about airspace and charts, and that includes licensed and non-licensed pilots. This class is part of my bigger overall course prep class that is also available online, so if you're interested, make sure that you take a look at that. By the end of this course, you will be able to not only read charts and find where airspace is, but you will also find out if you need approval for that airspace and also how to get that approval. I will be teaching the 3 different types of airspace: controlled and uncontrolled airspace, special use airspace, and other airspace. And then at the end of the course, I will go over how to read charts and how to use the chart supplement. I provide you with all the free tools from the FAA that you can download in order to help with your study, but I also give you all the different tools that I created in order to teach airspace, including a 3D rendering of the airspace around Arizona, so you have a better understanding of what it looks like from a 3D standpoint. The ideal student for this course is either someone who is currently studying for the Part 107 certificate or someone who already has a certificate and is looking for additional information that they did not get when they first received their training. Feel free to look through the course outline in the course description and also at the other courses that I have available online. I really look forward to helping you succeed.